Hi, this is Bhagwan, Director of Starbucks Industries. Today we are going to show you the best machine available in the world. We are trying to keep a cigarette on high spin mode with full load and without any foundation. This is a soft mode machine. See, the machine is balanced completely on the springs and shock absorbers. So now this machine is on the rinse mode now. You can see lot of towels are, full load of towels are added because towels are the highest weight taking, water taking material. So we are checking our machine on with towels. So now you can see, you can see the machine now. On running condition also, there is a very light vibration is there where the mechanical action is very light. So because of this mechanical action, the strong mechanical action, the washing quality will be very good compared to other Asian country machinery or Western country machinery and European country machinery. So the machine is designed to have a best wash quality. So you can check only 1 mm or 1 centimeter vibration is there on the wash load, so that the mechanical action will be very strong to get heavy stain removal capacity. I think now the spin mode is started. You can check. Now the machine is slowly going to the spin mode. Now spin 1 is started. Now it is went down. Now the extraction is started now. Serial line. Yes. See now this machine is designed in such a way that now the machine is running. We are trying to check the factory trial without any foundation. Now the machine is not even properly placed, but still the machine is kept on wooden pallets. You can check it up here. You can check it up here. It is not even bolted yet. So it is a challenge to the old market. A soft mount machine, 30 kg washer extractor with towels, with full load, to show machine with cigarette on spin mode without any foundation. So we are able to get this accuracy because of the highest standard graded structure is designed. The structure what we are using, the highest grade channels, the life of the equipment will run for 10 to 15 years. You can see heavy duty industrial springs are used, heavy duty shock absorbers are used, and the machine weight balances are used. 250 kg to 300 kg weight balance is kept in the machine. The structure, the material we use, the kind of design we have done, the kind of R&D we have done, the kind of infrastructure our company is having, the kind of manpower, experienced manpower we are having, all these 5 to 6 consideration only the accuracy will come. So you can see now the machine is going on spin mode now. We are using a Crompton motor and we are using a Delta drive, 7.5 HP drive. So we are using 30 kg 7.5 HP drive when compared to other Asian European countries and Western countries market. They are using less motors, but customers are confusing that less motor means less power consumption. It is not correct. When the motor is high rated, the extraction force will be high. The more extraction force, the motor water taking capacity. When the more water is extracted, the less time it will take in the dryer, where you can save almost 10 units here compared to other machinery. Now the machine is going to spin mode. Now you can check. Yeah. See the kind of heavy duty bearings we use, the kind of aluminum pulleys and the housing structure, it is completely, there won't be any problem for next bit of 10 to 15 years in this machinery. The Crompton motor is used and high-end USA standard dependent drain valves are used. You can see the structure of the machine. There is no vibration on the structure. Properly bolt this machine, now the 1% vibration is there on the structure. If you properly bolt this machine, there won't be any vibration at all. Right down. Now the machine is at spin 2 at 750 RPM now. Now we are going to show you the serial in this machine. Please come. We are going to challenge the world with this. So now the new cigarette is open, new cigarette pack is open. There is no gum, something like that. So this is our new challenge to the whole laundry equipment market to run the machine 30 kg wash extractor with towels, with full load, without foundation and making cigarette balance. Zoom it, boss. Just see. So this is the accuracy of the company. Zoom it now. This is the accuracy of the company. Nobody can in India can show you this accuracy. Zoom it, boss. We are feeling very proud to say that our machine is balancing on full load with cigarette, and this is an open challenge to the entire old laundry equipment market to show this kind of accuracy. See, not even 1% vibration, a 0.5% vibration is there. The less vibration means the less mechanical movement, so that the life of the bearings, housings, any structures or anything, any consumables will give the better life compared to other Asian or European countries market. You can see once again there is a 1% vibration, and now we will. Lot of people are asking there is no load in this machine. Now after 2 minutes we are going to show you the inside load on it by keeping the video live. And this is a Starweights challenge, and we are feeling very proud to say that with lot of accuracy, lot of R&D, we are able to get this structure and get this kind of accuracy. Anybody can make machine, but 100% accurate machine only Starweights can make, and it's a new challenge to the world market. And today is 28th February 2020, and till date nobody has shown this kind of video anywhere in the world or in the Indian country. Now, Suresh, can you put the emergency brake on, please, so that we can check. So now the machine is on live. We are on front of the machine only. So the machine is on soft mount. Now we kept the emergency stop. We will show you the load in this machinery now. Zoom in. So each towel is weighing about 600 grams dry weight towel. After extraction it will come to because of 700 and 750 RPM which we are keeping now, and it can go up to 850 RPM also. So when it is bolted properly. So now the weight of the towel is, dry weight of the towel is 600. Now after from this machine it is 900 grams. So because of the higher extraction force, if the extraction force is less, it will be 1100 grams. Now from our machine we have to remove 300 grams of water from this towel in this dryer. So to remove this 300 grams, it will take 45 minutes time in this dryer, where it is consuming 18 units heater is there, 18 units it will consume per cycle. When you compare with the other Asian countries market where the extraction force is less, the output of the towel will be, wet towel will be around 1100 grams. So we have to remove 500 grams of water from each towel. That means automatically you are going to spend almost 25 to 30 units on the drying. It will go up to 1 hour to 1.5 hour time. So here where you are going to save power on the drying time actually. So these are the towels loaded in this machine, and this is, you can zoom in, and we are feeling very proud to say Starweights has designed the best equipment available in the world. Thank you.